are you. We are fine. In fact, we're truly a fine choice and a strong partner for anyone and everyone who values high quality in the construction industry. Our Group Finland is an innovative, high-profile Finnish company renowned for its reliability, its strong sense of responsibility, and its remarkable design. And, as I'm sure you noticed straight away, the key letter is R, as in R Steel. It is the sign of the rock-solid expertise which underpins all the R Steel products we supply to our partners around the world for construction projects of all sizes. Let's take a closer look at one of our greatest products. The state-of-the-art R Steel wire loop system for concrete wall structures is used to facilitate and speed up both the manufacture of prefabricated units and the way they are joined together. The R Steel loop system we have developed is design protected and is used to move loads in concreted casting joints when connecting concrete elements and for cast in situ walls and columns. The idea of the RVL wire loop system is to transfer the shear and tensile force on the joint to the neighboring concrete element by means of the wire loop, the dowel housing and the cast joint, thereby forming a continuous structure. Our high-quality wire loop system has been designed for durability and functionality, and it also takes natural conditions into account, so it is also suitable for seismic hazard zones. In tests conducted by the Technical Research Centre of Finland, using the most wide-ranging testing program on the market, we achieved the best test results in the world. Our unique RVL wire loop system consists of a housing made of galvanized sheet steel through which a high-strength steel wire has been passed. The wire is formed into a loop by a compression sleeve serving as an anchorage block. For installation safety, our loops have a burnt end to protect the worker's hands. The housing has a recyclable and environmentally friendly easy open lid. Alternatively, you can choose our so-called tape design. The RVL housings are always delivered to the customer, carefully packed side by side, with the grip loops inside the housings to protect them from sprue. The housings are therefore ready for instant use at a manufacturing plant or a construction site. The loops come in various lengths. The loop size to be used depends on the width of the seam between concrete elements or the thickness of the element manufactured. The RVL housings are installed in concrete elements with the spacing depending on the shear forces and specified by a structural designer. Note that with RVL loops, the minimum thickness of the concrete element is 80 millimeters. Installing the wire loop on a casting is extremely easy. The loop is installed on a mold by driving nails through the holes on the housing, or when using a steel mold with an R Steel magnet. The housing, as it is suitable for magnetic installation. The RVL housings must always be installed to the element in the same way, as indicated by the arrow, and at the correct height according to the element drawings. The loops should always be positioned at the same level in the two elements to be joined. The steel wire loop is installed between the concrete reinforcements and it need not be tied. The loop is anchored to the wall by means of the tail end of the wire, bound by a compression sleeve. Now it is time for the casting to begin. Thanks to its slanted sides, the housing produces an excellent grip on the concrete and holds in place when the molds are removed. As part of the finishing of the concrete elements, the easy open lid on the housing is removed by tearing it off, and the wire loop is turned out of the housing using a wire tying tool so that it is at a 90-degree angle to the edge of the concrete element. The loops can withstand being bent several times without breaking the concrete and can thus be reworked even at the construction site. Thanks to the smart finish design of the housing, the outcome is neat and well thought out. When the concrete elements have been erected, a reinforcing bar anchoring the loops together across the joint is placed through all the loops of both elements. The joint is then grouted and allowed to cure until the seam concrete has reached the required strength. The RVL wire loop system is a global product. Its design is protected in 140 countries and it has been extensively tested, approved and certified. Design values are available for all standards and norms. We employ strict quality control measures in accordance with the requirements of the Finnish and European concrete associations, as well as with our ISO 9001 Quality Management Certificate and ISO 14001 Environmental Management Certificate. We also conduct specific quality control in cooperation with inspector certification. We also always carry out lot-by-lot inspection and testing before delivery to customers, so you can rest assured that cooperation with us is more than safe. And, naturally, technical support, training and consultation form part of our package. When you're looking for solid expertise and finish quality guaranteed to last, just remember our steel products. Together, we are even stronger.